I'm getting ready for next video. I didn't realize you guys are here. As you can tell, I've got to maintain my bushy eyebrows and make sure they are at their peak. Hey guys, welcome to another video for Momax Marble and Granite. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're going to talk about common concern that customers have when they get countertops is people confuse restoration of stones with a common concern, which is soap scum and calcium deposits in stone. So essentially, people typically forget that countertops are completely polished out. There's no lacquer, there's no veneer that's put onto the actual product itself. So a lot of times when people are questioning, hey, my countertop is going dull, what can I do for my countertops? If it's granite or if it's quartz, you typically don't have to worry about the actual face of the stone. If it's marble, then it's something a little different. But when it comes to granite, when it comes to quartz, you really don't have to worry about the face. So when people say, hey, my stone is going dull, a lot of times it's calcium deposit or soap scum. And today we're going to show you how to remove that. Alright guys, don't judge us on our dirty countertop. We purposely did this for this video. Essentially you can see a mixture of calcium deposit on our countertop. You also see a mixture of some soap scum onto the countertop. Essentially this is one of those concerns that some people have with their countertops. With granite, people forget that on the Mohs hardness scale, it is harder than most metal. So essentially, it's pretty easy. You want to make sure you put your blade off to the side. You always want to test out a little area first before doing it, but I've done this about 1,000 times on our countertop here. And essentially, you just want to carry it at an angle and just kind of remove. As you can see, it is removing the calcium deposits, soap scum. As you can see, it's leaving a little bit of a residue on there. Again, you gotta be careful not to scratch the countertop. You don't want to put too much force, but as you can see, it is removing a little bit of that calcium deposit. Next, you want to also grab some steel wool. You want to make sure it's a steel wool that is more than anything like a 4-0 grit. And you just want to clean off the harder to reach areas that the razor blade may have not gotten into. As you can see, the trickier spot happens to be around that faucet handle. And then at the very end, you just want to clean off your countertop. Again, as you've seen on our previous videos, we like to use the Revitalizer from Stone Tech. Just kind of clean off your countertop. And again, very important to know that again, with quartz and with granite, we do not do anything with the actual surface face. So the surface face is already polished, but a lot of times people forget that if they do not have a water softener, you're going to get calcium deposits. If you're using soap and you're a little sloppy and you drip some onto the countertop and you just clean it off, well, you just left some soap residue. Right now it's obviously wet, but when it dries up, it'll look like calcium deposit. And a little different video than some of the others. Just wanted to kind of show you. It's a very common concern that sometimes customers have. A lot of times people contact us and say, hey, can you reseal my countertops and make them shiny? Resealing countertops, all that does is give you a protective layer onto the actual countertop. So it doesn't do anything to the shine. It's a clear coat. So essentially, if you have a dirty countertop, you're just putting liquid on there to protect that dirty countertop. But essentially, you gotta make sure that countertops are clean. So hope you guys enjoyed our video, and don't forget to give us a rock solid like and subscribe to our pages. Till next time, thank you. Oop.